Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fauzi Amanda. I am from class PBI 6A. According to Eri et al., a good research question should meet the following criteria: creativity and focus. A research question must be specific and clearly defined to ensure the study remains focused. This question is specific. It focuses on one skill speaking, one method of play, and one group. 11 grade student. Research ability. It should be our answer through empirical investigation or data collection. This question can be answered through pre-test and post-test classroom observation in interview. Educational significance. The question should address an issue that contributes to educational knowledge or practice. Improving student speaking ability is a relevant concrete in English language teaching. Empirical nature. It should be based on observable data, not opinion. The impact of role play can be observed and measured through student performance. Clearly identified variable. Variables should be identifiable and measurable. Identi- Independent variable, the role play method, dependent variable student speaking skill. Reason of causing this method. 1. Based on the purpose of the study. The research aims to measure whether student English speaking skill improve after being taught the role play method. This focus and measurable improvement lies with quantitative research. Quantitative research deals with questions of relationship, cause, and effect or the effectiveness of treatments. Scan the study examines the effectiveness of the teaching method. It fits the nature to experimental or quasi-experimental research. Two types of data collected. The study will most likely collect numeric data such as student speaking score from pre-test and post-test. Quantitative study collect numerical data to test hypotheses and answer research questions. The score can be statistical analysis to determine whether there is a significant improvement to come design in educational setting. According to Ariad, quasi-experimental design is commonly used in school because random assessment to groups is often not possible. Quasi-experimental design are frequently used in educational setting because random assessment to groups is often not possible. A. Instrument 1. Speaking perform test or pre-test and post-test. Description: a structure where students are asked to perform speaking text. Perform is score using a speaking rubric. Purpose: to measure the student English speaking skill before the after the role play treatment. Justi- justification Justification. Tests are commonly used in quantitative research to measure learning outcomes and comfort group. These tests generate quantitative data, allowing the researcher to evaluate the effectiveness of the role-play method by comparing pre and post score. To speaking rubric. An analytics rubric with clear criteria as fluency, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, and comprehensibility. Justification. An analysis scale provides score for different aspects of performance which increase reliability. This allows for that object and concept score which increase the ability and reliability of the speaking assessment. 3. Questionnaire or optional for student perfection. A live questionnaire given after the treatment to explore student perfect of using roleplay in learning speaking. Example is the items. Roleplay helps me speak English more confidently. I enjoy learning speaking through roleplay activity. Roleplay improves my vocabulary. Responsive. Strongly disagree to strongly agree. Purpose. The collect supporting data about student attitude and motivation related to the method. Justi- Justification. Questionnaires and affection tool and gather data from a like group about opinion, attitude, and perfection. Through optional, this help enrich the finding by showing how students respond to the method by test score. For observation checklist, a checklist used by the teacher or observer during the learning process to record student participation, engagement, and speaking activity during role play. Items might include 1. Student actively practice in role play. 2. Student use English during the activity. 3. Student respond fancy to prompts. Number 1. Identify keyword. Use specific keyword to reach for academic references such as roleplay in English language teaching, improving English skill in high school student, speaking activity in EFL classroom, communicative language teaching and speaking, effectiveness of roleplay in ESL or EFL. 2. Use Trust academic score according to RE8 2019. Educational reach must rely and credible and fair reviewed literature. 3. Read and select relevant literature for 1. Theory of speaking skill in EFL. 2. Study the use role play in teaching. 3. For research on speaking skill improvement. 4. Books on TEFL, TEFL teaching English as foreign language. 4. Use reference management tool to organize it and check your score properly. Use tool like 1. Jotero, 2. Mendeley, 3. EndNote. How to avoid plagiarism. Plagiarism is considered academic dishonesty. RE 2019 emphasized the importance of ethical research practice. 1. Paraphrase properly. Don't copy directly. Restate the idea in your own one word, giving the original meaning. Plagiarize. Role play helps students improve their fluency. Paragraph. Oh no. Paraphrase. Use role play effectiveness has solved to significantly Ancient learning fancy in speaking English. Use station for Albrawa ID if you use someone else's ID, query or paraphrase and cheat the score. Direct quit. The role play is an effective technique in language classroom. Indirect question or paraphrase. Homer 2007 suggests that roleplay is a useful tool to help students speak more fluently. 3. Use plagiarism checking tool before submitting your work. Check occasionally using tools like Turtunity, Grammarly, Flagiscan.